secret shopping cart trick to get approved for $75,000 worth of credit card with no credit check, and you can get approved for it even with bad or worst credit. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide on how you can use this secret shopping cart trick to get approved for this massive credit card with no impact to your credit score, and you can get approved for it even with bad or worst credit. And even if you have no credit, this is the opportunity for you. So make sure you stay with us till the end to know about this secret shopping cart trick. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $20,000 worth of loan with no credit check, and you can get it even with bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the biggest opportunity, and this is from Express. Remember that you can get approved for Express credit card using this shopping cart trick, as thousands already got approved for it. Remember that I'm going to tell you about each and every step that you need to take in order to get this credit card. And remember, the last part of this video is very important, but to be honest, if you miss any part, you will not be able to use this secret shopping cart trick to get approved for this credit card. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start with the first and the very important part, known as the 3 dots. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. So as you can see that right here, I am on the express.com website. But one thing that you need to remember, that this trick only works on Google Chrome. If you are going to use this trick on Safari or Internet Explorer or any other internet browser, it's not going to work. So the first part is known as 3 dots. We're gonna click on it, and then we are going to click right here on new incognito mode. You need to click on it. As soon as we click on it, this page will open. This is a beginner's guide, so make sure you stay with us till the end. And remember, the last part is very important. So right here, again, you need to go on these 3 dots. You need to click on it, and then you need to go on settings. As soon as you click on settings, this page will open, and this is a very important part. As you can see that it's my Credit Oaks account, and our email is creditoaks@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can always email us as well, or you can just comment on this video as well. So right here on this page, you need to click right here on privacy and security. Let me click. As soon as you click on it, you need to scroll all the way down and click right here on site settings. This is a very important part. As soon as you click on site settings, this page will open. This says permissions and other things, but you need to scroll all the way down and click right here on pop-ups and redirects. This is a very crucial part. If you don't do it, this trick will not work. So let me just click on it. 3, 2, 1, let's click. As soon as you click on it, you see these 2 options right here. First one says that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. The second one says that don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Pay attention to this. You need to click right here, sites can send pop-ups and use the redirects, because this is an important part. The credit card offer that you will get is through a pop-up window. If you don't allow these pop-ups, this trick will never work, and Express will not send you a pop-up pre-approval, and this is very important. So as soon as you click on it, you need to do this very important thing: close this window. As soon as you close this window, you need to actually go back to your new incognito mode that you opened. So right here on this window, you need to go to this URL and write express.com, since it's already there. So I clicked on it. As soon as you click on it, this page will open, as you can see. right? So we are not going to accept the cookies, we don't need to. But as you can see that they ask you for the cookies, it means that your pop-ups are open, and this is a very vital step. You remember that you actually allowed pop-ups on their website, actually in your browser, so this is a very important part. Now let's move towards the second part, and the second part is known as you need to do some shopping. I'm just joking. No, you don't need to do some shopping. You just need to do what do we call in most of the world's window shopping. You just need to add a couple of stuffs, and you need to make sure that whatever you add into your cart, it actually surpasses $200 mark. Let me show you. So for example, let's go right here on the women's pants, and we are going to add a couple of things. You can see like this one is $88. It's pretty nice. We don't care about how good it looks, but we just need to add it. So right here I can just put any random size like 10 and add to bag. As soon as I click on add to bag, it shows me that $88 is the total, and now I'm going to see the bag right here. Of course they call it bag instead of cart. So my total right here is $88, and as I mentioned earlier that we need to surpass $200, and this is very important part. And remember, the last part of this video is also very important. If you skip it, you will not be able to get approved for this credit card. So now what do we need to do? We need to add a couple of more items. So let's go towards dresses, as dresses tend to be more expensive. So right here I can add this one. This one is $98. Let's go with medium and add to bag. As soon as I add to bag, it shows that my total is $148. Still it's below 200, so we're gonna keep shopping, right? And now we're going to add a couple of more items. Let's say that this dress looks nice, so we are going to add this one for someone who's large enough. So we are going to click right here, add to bag, and now we are going towards $200. We surpassed $200 or not. It's loading, and you can see that we surpassed $205. So the total is $205.20. This is what we needed. Remember that this is the part that I was talking about from the beginning of the video, and this is the last part. What do you need to do? Right here you need to click on view bag, and now you need to enter your information. And how you can do that, click on checkout. As soon as you click on checkout, it's going to ask you for your email address and password. We never recommend to put your email address or password, even if you have an account with Express. Just click on checkout as guest. As soon as you click on it, this window will open. Now this part is very important. You need to put your name, your last name, your email address, and your other email address. So I'm going to write, let's say Samuel and Kinder, and then email I'm going to write creditoaks@gmail.com. I'm going to copy it, paste it right here, and then for the number I'm gonna put anything like 888-125-32365, and then save and continue. As soon as I click on it, it's gonna ask me for my shipping and billing, and this is important. You need to understand, when you come on shipping and billing, you need to put the same address that you have on your credit report. Remember, they're not going to do a hard pull. It's only a soft pull. They will just check your credit, but it doesn't mean that they're not send you a pop-up. They will send you a pop-up anyway. So after filling the information, when you click on save and continue, a pop-up will appear that you are approved for it. Since I already got approved for it, so it's not appearing there. But when I applied for it, you know what happens with no credit check? I got this screen. I took a screenshot already, and it says Express credit card, congratulations, your account has been approved. Your credit limit is $75,000. Can you imagine? $75,000. And I was so happy. I was telling everyone, hey, I got approved for $75,000. It's a great thing. You all need to get this card. But here's the catch. As soon as I received the card, I got to know that it's not $75,000, it's $750 because there's a glitch in the Express system. That's why they are calling it 75,000 instead of 750. But you need to understand that this is what I got approved for. So if you see 50,000, it means 500. If you see 75,000, it's $750. And if you see $100,000, it means of course $1,000. So if you have any questions about this trick, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer each and every question of yours. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $20,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get this loan even with bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it, and don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.